Hello, everybody. Yeah, I'm back today. I did record a video. Actually, I did a live stream early morning, but I didn't publish out. Uh, I still keep I still keep it in as I think I keep it in private or something like that. I haven't published it out, but I knew I didn't plan to publish any video today, and then I just browsed the internet. I saw some kind of interesting. I want to share with you guys. As you guys know, that is the Federal Reserve. They increased, they raised the interest rates up at last month. I think, yeah, last month. But I think it's now. Later after that, I saw actually not like after that. It probably took about 2 weeks later, and then I saw some bank. No, actually 3 weeks later, and I saw some bank is offer the interest rate is of over 5%. Before that, saw some. Before the Federal Reserve increased the interest rate, I saw some they offer is almost 5%. It's not yet. It's 4.8 something. But after Federal Reserve increased the interest rates again last month, and it took around 3 months, no, 3 weeks, and then the bank kind of affected, and they offer some actually, at the end of the month, and they offer some, a promotion. It's not the normal interest rate. They just have ours. It's a kind of promotion, a special rate, and like it's not in the range like usually they have in the bank like 3 months interest rate for the 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, 1 year, and 18 months, 24 months, and something like that. But that's this kind of special rate. They got usually they have a scale like 5 months, 9 months, not 9 months, 10 months, and or 13 months, or 9 months, or something like that. It's not in the regular rates, so they offer that, and I saw that they kind of yeah, they offer over 5%, just a little bit above, a little bit 5%. Let me see. Yeah, that's why I'm trying to in oop, I kissed something to the floor, and because I use a computer my microphone, so I should it's kind of close to the computer's my laptop, so they can capture my voice clearer. So they offer at the end of the month they offer some bank is credit union. They offer is a little bit over 5%. But today, and I saw some so special. You kind of interesting. I didn't read further. I just saw the kind of bold headline there. So I just wow. Let me tell you, guy, there was I don't know how many banks is the offer, but I know what one I saw one is the offer 6% for saving rate Normally, I saw the bank offer is the promotion like for the CD. This is certificate deposits, but this one is a 7 raise. It's just 6%. Can you believe it? I just saw. So I just saw it, and then I opened a live stream and let me share with you guys. And kind of yeah. Now I think to me is the kind of we are kind of close to the end of the years, and on I think they are on the last quarter. I think yeah, most of banks usually they run on the last quarter too, so they can get meet the uh, uh, meet their goal of the year, something like that. They probably have some more special, but depend on if they need more to get to reach their goal. They probably reach give uh, they will offer some special, but if they already meet their goal, so they won't give the special offers anymore until the end of years. But anyway, as I still have a 3 month with no, it's like September, October, November, December. Also, actually 4 more months. Actually, it's not on the last quarter yet. They're still on the third quarter. At the end of the September, they jump to the by October. They go to the fourth quarter. Let me go back. The 1 6% serving raise. If you want to hear, no, just keep follow me, and I'm not go too far. Let me go. I need my glasses because I just kind of close the computer. I need a glass. And yep, that is a 6% seven raise, but I don't know where the banks is. But I search where I live, the state where I live, they don't have it. Uh, that's they call American Credit Union. The the bank name is American Credit Union. Oh, not American. American One Credit. American Credit Union. That's their name. The website is american1cu.org. Let me let me go back to the camera. So where I am now, I'm here. So let me write the name for you to see. Let me turn around my notebook so they call the name is Mary, not Mary. I should use another pen because this one, the red, it's a kind of hard to see. I'm not a pro with the live stream, so I'm still like, you see, I'm kind of more Mary one can, and the websites are Mary can one cu.org. And they on the page is the Selvin race. Okay, here. You see that? That's then you can check it out at their website there. That is they say Selvin race a special. Oh no, that is a CD. Special. Sorry about my when I told you it's a seven, I thought it's just, when they put the seven race, I thought it's just, the regular seven account. Sorry about that. That's this seven race is special share certificate race. Effect day Tuesday, September 5th, 2023. The term is 1 year. Dividend rate 6%, APY 6%, minimum deposits 1,000. They have a little notes there. It's a qualification for a promotion share certificate raise APY and euro percentage you a 1,000 minimum a $1,000 minimum deposit is required to open a share certificate and earn the advertised annual percentage yield of 6% APY for a 12-month term. At least 1,000 must be funded not previously on deposits with the credit union. Withdraw and repay process made within 7 days will not eligible for promotion rate. Early withdrawal penalty may apply if funds are removed before maturity date, and fees may reduce the earning on an account. An account must be opened with American One Credit Union to open a share certificate. Primary share servants require $5 minimum open balance and $3 one-time membership fee. All new member eligible requirements and disclosure apply. American One Credit Union reserves the right to discontinue the promotion without notice. Special share certificate race is offered today. Yeah, that's a 6%. Like here, there's certificate for the normal, the regular certificate uses their regular certificate, and they have like 180, 0.75%, 1 year 2.5%, 2 years 4%, 3 years 3.5%, 4 years 3.75%, 5 years is 4%. Their minimum deposit is $500, but for the 6% they require is 1,000 minimum deposits. So yeah, you can go to check that website. They have on that website, they have IRAs, the Roth IRAs, the core workflow, ESA, something like that. And yeah, that is for the penalty they set on them. I have, I'm not the person haven't put the money in. Actually, I have experience, not my experience, my dad back then, before he purchased the house, and because he searched the house, actually researched, because he got, and then we go, this, that, this is how good, this is nice, blah, 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 blah. And then he like, well, this, and finally, it's almost a year. He haven't got a house yet. So I went to school and I saw the credit union, they have the, put the money in there, get the interest rate, stuff like that. I went home, I told him about how to move his, the money he prepared to down payment. Last time he had $40,000 in the bank. That's ready for the down payment, the house, so we can make monthly payment less. So I told him how about we he moved the money to the credit union, the bank where when I at the school they have a my school they have a the ATM. Naturally not the ATM. They have the office there, and I told him that, and then they went to me and him to go to the Dutch bank to open the CD. He opened only the CD. That's in the town, downtown, and that's a bank credit union that's only special for the back for teach whoever teaching go school in the area, and so they have relative you know work not a relative work school work school and teaching and around that area. Yeah, my dad were around that area, so they let him in. He got there, he deposited some money there. There's he chooses 100 3 months 3 months terms. Very well. He got interest rate very well, and then finally he got a house after searching for the years, and then finally he got a house on. There's only like less than a month. The city is a major, but because he need the money, we need the money. He need the money to give the down payment right away, and so he had to take it out. He had to take it out earlier, so they penalty him. But penalty end up like for last 2 months he put the money there. He got nothing. So whatever he got like 2.5 months there, it's cover for penalty for nothing. But it's interesting because we are going to looking for a house. It's more than a year, not more than a year, almost a year. Couldn't find any house. Yeah, we search. We look through the paper. Back then they print out the paper, and they didn't have a computer in '97. So we went through, and then we choose which one is okay. And then we told the realtor we want to see that house, and she walked us to there. She opened the door for us to see. But before that, she walked us to the house, which she gave us this house is good, your quality, your requirements, stuff like that. But she did many for us, and we feel kind of guilty because we have to. She did a lot, but we didn't. We haven't bought the house yet, so we feel guilty. And finally, my dad told her, "How about she just print out the house selling in the area?" So we shot through that, and then we tell her which one we got. That's the six. Less work, less driving, less stuff like that. And then yeah, but probably she got a problem with the office where she worked because she had to print a bunch of the paper from staff for us, like almost like every week. I think every week she print a stack like that. She gave us. So finally, that's after my dad just deposits the money in the CD for 2 months, 2.5 months, and then he finally got a house and offer everything. And it's the time, that's the time to have to put the down payment. So that's he withdraw early, so the penalty for him. So that's the 2.5 months in there. This is like cover for that penalty. So if you guys want to put the money in there, you kind of probably you feel like you got a penalty when you withdraw early. So now you got an idea how much they got draw if you normally, to me, it's normally like if you took out early, whatever you earned there, you give back to them. Anyway, that's a 6%. I don't know which state they offer, but where the state where I live, they don't have the branch. I live in Florida. Let me search. I don't know. Let's I search. Let me. Okay, where they have. I saw the bunch of Denmark in here. So they have. Where are they? Oh, their home office in Missouri, MI 49201, Missouri, and they have the Missouri, Michigan. Uh, no, not. I'm sorry, not Missouri. MI Michigan, Michigan. Sorry, Michigan, not Missouri. MI, MI. Oh, someone drive motorcycle from our house. Yeah, I saw the semi. It's Michigan. Whoever live in Michigan, you can get this offer 6% the interest rate for the how many months? I forgot. 9 months? No, 1 year's term. Yep, that is interesting. I just found in the internet. Now I share with you guys. If you guys like the kind of sharing about interest rate stuff like that, please let me know. If you like this kind of video, please thumb up. And if you haven't subscribed, yes, please subscribe. Thank you very much. Someone. It's really happened in my neighbor where I live on the street I live. Yes, there's sometimes they do happen, and from the entrance they go back there. There's sometimes some people have the motorcycle, they went to work and got back. But recently I haven't heard it. Yeah, I haven't heard that sound motorcycle. I don't know this guy. He not young. I think he's not young. He kind of older than me, and I haven't heard his motorcycle driving sound. So I wonder what happened to him. You never know because nowadays the all kind of stuff happen. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next video. I will probably if I find some more interesting, I will share with you guys. Yeah. Bye. Hello, everybody. Um, yeah, today I do a live stream. I just found another great stuff. If you guys interesting, go to get it. That is the $800 bonus. When you open the checking account, that's yep, that's the free money. But probably they require you have to do something. Let's go to see what they need you to have it in order you get $800. That sounds great because usually they offer $100, $200. Is I saw it's a maximum $250. Yeah, sometimes they I think back then, Chase they did send out to my dad. They offer $600, but they required him to have open two different types of account, but he didn't do it. Let's see. I just saw it. And then I said, okay, let me do the live stream to let you guys know. And if you guys qualify, you can get $800 for coffee or drink, whatever. It's just, yeah, it's a free money, but actually, I think it's not really free, but you have to do something. And also, you have to file the tax, federal tax too. That's I have to remind you guys. That's yeah. That is here is that's $800 business chicken account chicken bonus and um yeah that's it's a U.S. bank. I don't know uh probably is I have never seen um the U.S. bank at where I live. Let me see. Let me write out a website and then I show you. usbank.com affiliate business checking. Let me see where online bank, online banking bonus HTML. Okay, let's say this on a business checking bonus. Okay, that's enough. I will show you. They say here that's on the website is on a business checking bonus. Boost your purchase with up to $800 bonus. We are offering you up to $800 when you open a new U.S. bank business checking account and complete qualifying activities. Offer valid through January 8, 2024. Earn your bonus to earn up $800 on the top. This is yeah. And up to $800, open a U.S. bank business checking account using the promo code Q3AFL23. Oh, FL look like Florida, is right? But I don't see it in where I live. And complete the following activities. Open a U.S. bank business checking account. They have three different types: silver, gold, and platinum. And then deposits $5,000 or $25,000 in new money within 30 days of account opening and maintain your balance for 60 days. The word new money, as my knowledge, not actually, as I know, um, because I did ask them, I read somewhere, I asked them, I don't know, asked someone, I don't know, I don't remember. New money, that means that's the money uh, from somewhere. Your money is just somewhere to bring to them, not from your money in the bank, their bank. That's I no. I think I did ask one of the bank clerk when I open the checking account or something like that. No, I did. Oh no, not over the checking account because I read it and I saw and I asked them. They they told me that says money, new money. That's mean the money you bring out from outside, not you get from the bank to inside the bank in that bank, but in different account. Like for example, if you have money in seven account, but you open the this account, you transfer from a seven account to your new open account. They don't accept it. You have to bring the money from outside. That's I know. That's much I know. Okay, next, your bonus is determined by the total amount of your deposits and 350 when you deposit 5,000 and $800 when you deposit 25,000. So that's the requirement. So if you deposit 5,000, you earn only 350, not 800. And if you deposit 25,000, you earn 800. That's their requirement. What else they do need? And they have different types of business account. You can check it out on their website. Note, use the apply button below above, and we will enter promo code for you. If you apply for your checking account from a different page, you will need to manually enter this promo code to your account application. Q3AFL23 all cap. Of course, they have the leader word too. So you got want to go there, see. Disclosure promo code Q3AFL23 must be used when opening a business checking account. Limit of one business checking account per business. $100 minimum deposit is required to obtain a U.S. Bank Silver Gold with interest or Platinum business checking account. Bonus options. Earn your $350 business checking bonus by opening a new U.S. Bank Silver Gold with interest or Platinum business checking account between September 5th, 2023 and January 8th, 2024. You must make new deposits of at least 5,000 in new money deposits within 30 days of account opening, and thereafter maintain a balance of at least 5,000 until the 60th day after account opening. The new money cannot be from an account at U.S. Bank or its affiliates, or earn your 800 business check-in bonus by opening a U.S. Bank Silver Gold with interest and Platinum business checking account between September 5th, 2023 and January 8th, 2024. You must make a new deposits of at least $25,000 in new money deposits within 30 days of account opening, and thereafter maintain a balance at least $25,000 until the 60th day after account opening. The new money cannot be from an account at U.S. Bank or its affiliates. The business checking bonus will be deposited into your new U.S. Bank Silver Gold or Platinum business checking account within 30 days following the last calendar day of the month you will complete all the other requirements. As long as the account is open and has a positive available balance. Offer may not be combined with any other business checking account bonus offers. Offer is not valid if you or any signer on the new business checking account have an existing U.S. bank business checking account or had a U.S. bank business checking account in the last 24 months, or regular account opening procedure apply for comprehensive list of checking account pricing terms and policies. Reference your business pricing information disclosure. This document can be obtained by contacting a U.S. bank branch or calling 800-872-2657. Bonus will be reported as interest earned on IRS Form 1099 INT, and recipient is responsible for any applicable taxes. Current U.S. bank employees are not eligible. U.S. bank reserve the right to withdraw this offer at any time without notice. Promotion valid for online application only, not available in branch. A transaction include deposits and other credits, checks, pay, and other debits. ACH and deposit item and signature and PIN-based purchase made with the U.S. Bank Business Debit Card. The U.S. Bank Business Debit Card is issued by U.S. Bank National Association pursuant to the license from Visa USA Inc. Monthly maintenance monthly maintenance fee waiver options. Go Business Checking, U.S. Bank Payment Solution, Mercantile Bank, or 10,000 average collected balance, or 20,000 combined average collected business deposit balance, or 50,000 combined average collected business deposits and outstanding credit balance. Platinum Business Checking 25,000 average collected balance, or 75,000 combined average collected business deposits and outstanding business credit card balance. Deposits produced Deposits products are offered by U.S. Bank National Association member FDIC. Oh, the maintenance fee where is too high, is right? Let me see how much they charge for maintenance fee. The Silver Business Checking Account package best for new and small business with basic banking account needs. Zero monthly fee, maintenance fee, 125 free transaction per month. 0.50 fee for each additional transaction. Oh, they have the one without monthly maintenance fee too. That is the Silver Business Checking Account package. In another two, I don't think I need to say. If you guys want, take a look, go ahead, take a look. I just give out the one free. They have another two. Another two, let me see. Another two, Go Business Checking Account. That is $20 maintenance fee waiver. That's the one I just read at bottom. It's just 25, 50,000, something like that. That's it. You guys check it out if I don't mistake it. I just want to say the one free. The one not free, the one is your maintenance fee. It says it's your. So does this mean you can get the 350 if you deposit 5,000? And $800 you get $800 if you deposit 25,000. But remember this bonus money you need to they report tax to IRS, so that means you need to file tax with your income tax. Your business income tax. Oh, this one is a business checking bonus. That means you open the business checking, not the regular checking account. Not personal, just for business checking account. So that's Yeah. Uh, where are they? Do they have in where I live? I know, but I sure I don't see it. Mm. Oh, you can. You can go to direct in front of your their website. They have as they list there is a business checking account on $800 and keep your business moving. Open business checking account by October 31st. Then here they say October 31st, but the one I just read for you guys is to say January 2024. So, do they what they have? I don't see the list here. I think I have to type in where I live or something like that. Let me see. They ATM measurement. Yeah, they do have in the Florida, but the one and then I read in that it says the promotion does work online, not in the branch. Is right. I just read it. So you can fill us online. Uh, do they have branch in Florida? I don't think so, but they have the ATM. Hmm. Yeah, you guys just go there to check with their website to find out the in your area or not. The time here. It seems like they don't have any range in Florida. They have the ATM, no, S ATM at 7-Eleven or something like that. Okay. Let me show the website for you guys. Here, the second one here, usbank.com affiliates. What's that? Business checking, business checking slash online banking business a.html. Oh, the last video I think last video a couple of days ago, I think I talked about another bank bonus, not bank bonus, bank offer 6% APY here. That is the credit union in the Michigan state. If you got in the Michigan state, you can get, if you need it, you can get, that's the website here. So that's the one today. Yeah. So today, this video, I show you this one, the new one I just saw. Also, I kept the link for the last one for you guys here. If you guys want this one, I think only of Michigan State. They offer 6% CD APR 6% for 1 year. I think that's 1 year's term. You have to deposit minimum $1,000. Okay. Probably next video I make the video I show you how much you will get if you put on CD 5,000 after 1 year, how you get it, blah blah blah, probably like that. But anyway, let's see. I don't promote and I don't promise you anything because I constantly changing. Oh yeah. Okay, that is $800 business checking account at US Bank. Let me check today half at okay, anyway, you guys go just go there because I don't think I sit in here and check of 50 states. That take a long time. What else they send in the code I see that they have FL look like Florida, but anyway they choose the alphabet and it's, I think the most important I read almost the whole page. I just left out those not necessary. Okay. Yeah, I read somewhere on the web they say they used to have the offer of $700 50 bonus, but only require $15,000 deposits. They used to have one like that. So 25,000 you have to place in that 60 days. You got $800. That's that's kind of over 10% is right. Yeah, I think over 10%. I think 15 or 20%, but I think a 20%. But the thing like you not take it out the whole. Yeah, you can take out the whole money, 25,000 after 60 days, but I think you have to keep the account there a certain time. If you close the account early, they might be charge you some money. So that means you still have to left some money there. So, but anyway, 15% is not bad too. But that's one for business checking account. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye. If I see any good deal, I will make the video tell you guys. Bye. Hello everybody. I'm back now. I'm back doing another live stream today. So today this one the second one. The first one I did early morning, and this one the second one. The first one today I did is an early morning, and it's a paying of $800, but that's for business checking account. Now as after I done that, I said, oh, that's a business checking account. Most people they don't have a business, so I went to search. I found another one, but for personal checking account. Sorry, you can hear my voice kind of a little different. Also, you can see my face kind of round, right? Just you can see my live stream the day before that, not today, the day before that. My face kind of skinny, and then today is kind of round, full, and so I don't know. Probably number one, I add fried chicken wings and a bunch of the pastry. I finished a whole box already. Pastry, chicken wing. I still have more than half, but the pastry is I don't know. Somehow I feel that's a very good taste, and because they have a sugar, a crispy big sugar, and then I bite kind of feel like wow, it's good. So the pastry feel like it's good, so I add all them already. I think the 15 counts. I finished all of them. You guys want to see that's dinner. What I did was that is I have the video uploaded in the upload area, but the thing I have no voice, no talking. Yep. Uh, so I found another one. Let me go straight there because some of you probably busy, don't have time. I found another one. The another one they offer is $450 and another one $250 for checking account. And that is the Old National Bank. I will show you the link there. Okay, let me see. I didn't read it yet. I haven't read it yet, and so now I'm at the live stream and I read at the same times. So that's not make me lazy to read because I know you guys here listen me too. So I'm not okay. Let's see the Old National Bank. Our latest promotion offers that they have. They have mortgage offer, deposit account offer. So I just jumped to deposit account offer. Deposit account offers, they have checking account offer, limited time money market offer, our CD rates. Let's go see the checking account offers. Checking account offers, they have two different types of bonus. One is a 450, I just told you, and another one a 250. The one 450 they list here, this bank kind of clear, make you easy to read. You don't afraid to get trapped. Most of bank kind of complicated to read. Checking out for a step to earn $450. Number one, open an Old National Bank preferred checking or an Old National Bank everyday checking account and keep open for a minimum of 120 days. Number two, make two or more ACH direct deposits totaling $10,000 or more within 90 days of account opening. Wow, too much. 10,000 is a lot. Number three, enjoy your bonus payout. That's it. That's a great deal. Not a great deal. Easy deal. Yeah, it's great deal, but the thing like you require to have $10,000. That's a lot more money. Okay, for those people don't have $10,000 or some don't like to put in the bank $10,000, one bank $10,000. So you can go number two. The offer number two is $250. Steps to earn $250. Number one, open an Old National Bank preferred checking or an everyday checking account and keep open for a minimum of 120 days. Number two, make two or more ACH direct deposits totaling $2,000 or more within 90 days of account opening. Number three, enjoy your bonus payout direct deposits. Oh, I'm not sure. They say direct deposits. It's not like money you adding. No, direct deposit. It's not easy. It's complicated, right? Direct deposits does mean you from your check, your salary, your Social Security benefits money they deposit monthly, but 2,000. I think it's a lot for the people living on Social Security retirement, because I think majority they have retirement below $2,000. Uh, oh, on the top, direct deposits total 10,000 is too much. I thought it's great offer, but nah, I don't know. But if you guys have that, you guys have met their requirement, open and get bonus. But the thing I have to remind you, that's bonus money. You have to file the income tax too. If you file income tax by yourself, so you don't have to pay. But if you go to agency, they file your tax, income tax, they will probably they will I actually not probably actually they will charge you additional from, probably cost about 40. Back then when I used to work at the tax file filing tax for people, every additional form which where a place where I work there, they charge about $50. So so that's another I have to tell you. You have to pay in front of the tax filing agency $50. That is and then you got the tax, you have to pay the tax for that bonus too if you have a big large income. Yeah, that's is yeah, they have a little note here too. Let me see what the little note. To open a checking account bonus, the new personal checking client must complete following requirements to qualify for $450 cash bonus. Open a Oldnational Bank preferred everyday checking account with a minimum deposit of $50 between September 1st, 2023 and October 31st, 2023 online, and at any Oldnational Banking Center. Account must be open for minimum of 120 days. Complete at least two qualifying ACH direct deposits totaling $10,000 or more within the first 90 days of account opening. The Oldnational Bank prefers or everyday checking account must open with a balance greater than $0 and in a good standing at the time of cash bonus is paid. To qualify for 250 cash bonus, open an Oldnational Bank prefers an everyday checking account with a minimum deposit of $50 between September 1st, 2023 and October 31st, 2023 online or at any Oldnational Banking Center. Account must be open for minimum 120 days, complete at least two qualifying ACH direct deposits totaling $2,000 or more within the first 90 days of account opening. The Oldnational Bank prefer everyday checking account must be open with a balance greater than $0 and in good standing at the time the cash bonus is paid. Offers are not available for clients with existing Oldnational personal checking account, including owners on a joint account, personal checking account closed within the last 120 days, and Oldnational employee. Qualifying ACH direct deposits include electronic direct deposits of paycheck. Okay, here, ACH direct deposits, including electronic direct deposits of a paycheck, pension payment, Social Security payment, or other government benefits paying deposits into the checking account from the employer. a government agency, or other similar third-party organization. Deposits made by teller ATM mobile deposits, wire transfers between Oldnational Bank accounts, external transfers from other accounts at other financial institutions, or peer-to-peer Yale Venmo transfers do not qualify. Limit one cash bonus per eligible checking account. In addition, limit one cash bonus regardless of the number of checking account opened. Recipient customer Social Security number of cash bonus shall not be eligible to receive the cash bonus on any other checking account. The checking account must be opened with a balance greater than $0 and in a good standing at the time the bonus is paid. The cash bonus will be credited to a Oldnational personal checking account approximately within 120 days from account opening. Bonus must be all reported on IRS Form 1099 Miss. Oldnational reserve the right to discontinue offer anytime not valid with any other Oldnational offer. Okay, they have more here. I don't need to read the rest. They have a little note, number 1, number 2, all stuff, but basically, let me see. What the one I read, what they have note number 1. Okay, the note number 1. Let me read the note number 1. What they said. Number 1, Oldnational prefer checking is an interest-bearing account. The interest rates and annual percentage you any change at our discretion. We may change the interest rate on the account periodically. Interest begin to accrue no later than the business day we receive credit. Open collected funds for deposits of non-cash items. For example, checks. If the amount is closed before interest is credited, you will not receive the accrued interest. We use the daily balance method to calculate interest on your account. This method applies a daily period rate to the collected balance in the account each day. The current APY for the Oldnational Bank preferred checking account is 0.0% on account balance in all balance tiers. Fees may reduce on and on this account. Okay. Yeah. Anyway, that sim is not for everybody. It's some, but yeah. Two direct deposits of $10,000 from a check from a payment. Actually, I think that's only for the people working. They can have that's the last direct deposit, not no one else, I guess. So also that is but I think if those people can make that a big paycheck, they don't care about this one. Because they just get on 450, but they have to spend time to do the stuff, if you're on vacation, probably they have to pick up the phone, answer the phone. Also, they have to have deposits. They have, they have to file income tax because they might be end up not getting 450, probably less than that, or probably they have to pay more tax too because they have a large income. So that's not work out for most people, but probably someone will get it 250. That their deposits is 2,000. Two more direct deposits When I did, oh yeah, too. So the people got retirement benefit, they can get this. But most of people got the retirement benefit. They got they senior, they old, they don't want to do more complicated stuff. So I know they don't care about this because I know it because my dad. My dad's in. He didn't bother those stuff. Usually, sometimes I did for him one, but soon after only a couple months, and he went to emergency room, and then he's sick, and then a year later he passed away. Um, I did for him not this one. No, it's a yeah. This not this bank, this type of bonus, but they didn't require that. Is it? Yeah, they didn't require us mm, the large amount. That they didn't require the direct deposits, but he got $250. I think also he got the offer. They have offer for the CDs. There is the high interest rate and where he kept the money, where he kept money, and they only pay for him a 0.22% for like years. I think many years. Many years. Finally, I saw the bonus and I got him to go to open and transfer. They I think they give him like 4% or something like that. 3-4%. They have promotion, but before it's before the CD major the end as a 10 months he got sick. He got emergency room. Before that he didn't bother those. He didn't care. But that only I told him and then I got him to there. So I said, why we got there a bigger bonus. And not only bonus. At first, no, I got him to do the CD checking, no CD because it's certificate deposit because where his bank, he have a money in his bank kept paying only 0.22% for like I think many years, 4 or 5 years. They didn't. At first, they little high 25 and they rubbed out with, and then until 0.2, and I read the newspaper. I found a promotion, and then I got him there. The promotion there for I think a 4% or something interest rate. And then at there, and the bank clerk told us is they have the offer to checking account $250. They didn't require anything. I think $50 in the bank or something like that. I forgot about that, and then he did it, and he got another 250. And by 10 months, and I think just a month before the 10-month ending, he got sick and he went to emergency room, and a year later he passed away. So I know that's a master elderly people. They didn't bother these. So that's for only for young people. Okay, also this bank they offer the CD rate too is 5% APY, 15 months or 9 months. They require minimum of $500. In the money market, they have 5.15% APY. Yeah, but you have the minimum of $10,000. It's right. To earn the promotion grade, your account must fund it with a minimum of $10,000, not on deposits at National as of July 31st, 2023. Personal trust must be opened in the Oldnational Banking Center of us by September 30, 2023. That's for the money market, 5.15 APY% APY in the market account with our 9-month intro offer. I don't know, it's a money market, is that? Because they say money monitor, I don't know, it's a different term. Okay, that's this another offer. Oh, where are they? Yeah. Oh, they have offered the mortgage too, but I don't think the people need. Oh, the check-in or before check-in and everyday check-in. Monthly charge $15 for before check-in or zero if you maintain 5,000 daily balance or maintain 25,000 combined minimum daily balance in order check-in. Saving money market account GD or loans with similar ownership. For everyday check-in is a monthly charge of $6.95 or zero if you maintain $500 in direct deposits each month or maintain a daily balance of $750 or maintain a combined daily balance of $1,500 in checking savings or money market account or active duty military personnel. Fee is the e-statement or $3 paper statement. Okay, that's Old Nation Bank. Where are they? I don't know. I tried to click on the. Let me see. I think they are in up north. It seemed to me they in Tennessee, right? IN is Indiana, is right? Indiana, AMI, Michigan, KY, Kentucky, AMI, Michigan, oh, what else they have? Wow, a lot. Yeah, that says Kentucky, Indiana, Michigan. Did I write a Tennessee? I saw on the map here they have a Tennessee too. This right? No. Did I write the Tennessee? And Illinois, IL too. Illinois. Okay, so you guys just go to their website. Do check it here. I have the website for you. Your offer, they do have it. Let me see it. Yeah. Oldnation, oldnational.com slash personal slash Our best offer in hashtag deposits offer here. And this one, for the one early morning I did today is the live stream. This is of $800 offer, but that's for business checking account. And that is which bank? I think U.S. Bank. But and this one is on another days I did this is 6% APY CD, the 1 year is the 1,000 minimum deposit. That is American One Bank. So if you want to get it, and the bottom one I just done is 450 or 250. Checking account. You just see it. Yep. Oh, when I talk about my face, my voice, the reason I'm probably I've got phone because I ate the whole box of 15 count of guava and cheese pastry bites. I finished all them. Chicken, I still have. I think I ate only five. Actually, more five wings and just one drumstick. Um, that's the number one. Number two, probably because I got my nose problem in my eye. I think I got allergy on my nose or something. Because yeah, this happened again. My nose is after 22 years, 24 years. Then first time I have a problem with my nose. This one, that's 24, 25 years ago when I was work at the server for the Chinese restaurant, and then the problem that is a winter time, and then I didn't. I came from the country. It's a hot country. I didn't have experience about deal with the cold, and then I because we need to wear the uniform, but the uniform, you remember the server back then they wear the blocks, this white blocks, this thing like, and then inside they have the heater. That's good. That's no problem. But because I have to run them back kitchen to get the food, but in back kitchen because they cook with no gas stove, they cannot have the AC the heater and stuff like that. So then the kitchen they have no heater, no AC. It's the summer is hot and the winter is cold, and they walk back to the door there. I catch the cold, but it's no problem. I just gone back there and I just give them the I forgot, been a long time. My order, and I went back, but the thing like when the customer opened the front doors, and that time outside is wind or stuff like that. He opened the front door, and then suddenly the cold flow in my face, and then suddenly I breathe in that cold, and then I start got sick. Not because that, but because I didn't wear enough clothes to warm too. So that's why I got a turn up in my nose here. Got so badly, made my head, my eye kind of puppy, pop, no, what, puffy, like, and I sleepy all the time. Yeah, I did went to doctor, but they give medicine doesn't work. Yeah, at first it worked a couple of days, and then later it didn't work. And then later on, it's the nose so bad, tongue smell too. And then then got the eye from. Then I went the doctor. They didn't. They gave me medicine for this work. And then another time I saw another doctor. He said he had a problem the same with me. I said this, I got an eye allergy. So he suggested buy the allergy eye drop to drop it. It's work. It's work fine, great. But it seems like I have to need more daily. It's work. Next weekend, kind of I need more. So I feel like I have to depend on that eye drop. So I quick I try. Um, so in the some of the winter I try to stay warm, so I didn't catch the flu or cold. Later on, I didn't need it, but now it's summer. I got the same problem that's with the when I will have as a winter. That's why you can see my face kind of brown, especially here. And that is the problem that caused me change my career back then, which I planned for years. I planned since I was in high school, but because that's caused because they give me the allergy medicine, the browsing or something like that. I tried it, and my head is heavy. It bothered me so bad, and then I, suddenly I changed my career. Last month I did thinking about go back to get what I was planned. I say like, okay, that's fine. I think I'm okay with my nose, everything now. I think I can do it. I plan like go back school and study what I was planned when I was in high school. But now I think my nose got a problem again. The same with 24 years ago. But think like 24 years ago, I have a reason because as I catch a cold. And but this summer, so you can hear my voice kind of not like in other videos. That's why. This is, yep, that's for the for $300. No, $400, $450, and another $250. That's I searched and I just told you that is they have what Illinois, Michigan, Indiana, Tennessee, I think. Yeah, just go to the website. The website oldnational.com slash personal slash our dash best dash offer slash hashtag deposits offers. Let me go to direct to their website. To they have there. They in the front they have 5.15% APY. They didn't. No, it's they have the link there, so you don't have to type the whole thing like website wrote for you. You just type in oldnational.com, and then in the front page they have under the slideshow, they have the link there. They say the see our best offers, and you click there, and they have that. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next video. Probably, I don't know. It's 9:26 p.m. already. Probably tonight or tomorrow morning, I will make a live stream about. I just saw something about real estate. If you guys interested in that, check back on my channel click on the live. Um, yeah, now I think I made it easy for some of you because some of you probably tired listening to me or see me. So at the uploaded area, I upload the video without talking. Uh, Sometimes I talk, sometimes I don't. So some of you doesn't like to listen to me, they can watch that video. If you guys like to listen to me, see me, go to click on the live. I will there. Whatever I talk in, I show my face. At that place. Anyway, thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye. Hello, everybody. I'm back here today. I do another live stream today. Yesterday, I think told you guys I'm going to do the, research message, tell you guys how much you earn when you place your money in the bank at a certain interest rate. Yeah, I think I'm do it today. So you guys have an idea how much you're going to get after the finish after the term, the years, the like what do we say, the term ending. Yeah, they have I think they have an option for you, like if you want the interest you earn keep in that account to accumulate more daily, or another option that they transfer the whatever you earn from the interest that's interest rates, they move that to your checking account. That's or saving account. That is a second option. That's what I know. So I think today I do the one is keep in your CD until it's the end of the term. I don't, because it's a kind of too broad. I don't know where to start. But I think I pick on the one I did couple days ago about the interest rate, the highest I saw so far. That's a 6% that's were offered by the bank in Michigan State. That's a credit union. I think I don't remember the name. Is that American One Bank Credit Union? Yeah, usually credit union just only in the local, not nationwide. Nationwide. If you any one of you live and close there, if you have money, you can go to generate some more money. But now today I pick on the 6% APY interest rate. So I use that as to 1 year's term. Let me see. Let me write down. I remember it's a 1 year's 6% APY, and the minimum is 1,000 deposits. So I use this one at the the step to search for the how much you earn from the 6%. Let me go there. I haven't prepared yet. Suddenly I come up here, so I do it. Let's see. Okay. Let's start with the big amount, okay? And then we go down. We are in a dream sometimes, so we got a better life. Let's start with let me change this. This is 6%. Interest rate is a 1 year. In how much we should start? Let's see. I remember I read somewhere someone income because that person I won't want to say the name because I don't want to mess up the problem. That person because they force him have to publish his income out. I think I read he has the cash, the money in the bank or something like that. I don't remember. 11, 14 million dollar or billion, I forgot. How about we talk about 10 million? Take too big is why. Okay, guys, just go 10 million for fun. 10 million, so that's 1 million, 10 million dollar. If $10 million after a year's that means they don't transfer what you earn in monthly to your checking or saving account. They still keep on that account. So that is 10 million. A year later with a 6% interest rate, you can get this 10 million $600,000. Did I read right? 10,600,000. Yeah. So your interest rate earning for the 6% is of 10 million is $600,000. Whoa, it's a dream, is right? Yeah, not many people got 10 million. Only the actress or stuff like that, but they live in a lifestyle. I don't know what 10 million. Let me write it down so you can see it later. I start with the $10 million. This is crazy. So after years, I got $10,600,000. No, $600,000. Okay, that's right. Yeah. How about 1 million? Oh, this. I want the calculator I'm using the add that's interest and then generate more interest next month. The first month, second month, you get a certain amount of interest, and then they have to be generate 6% of that if park up earning. I think I used the wrong calculator, but not the wrong calculator. This one is users. I guess it's a calculate just interest rate you earn without calculating that's interest earning in that month. So, but unless you got this amount, if another method, I told you that the second month they add the part of the earning interest into $10 million. So that means they generate more interest earning then. So that's another method. This one method is just basis so you get at least this amount. So that's a 1 million. because after I do the 1 million, I'm so surprised. It's not the material. So you will get $1,060,000. Let me write it down and then just show you later, and you go double check. Yeah, that's $100,000. You got 106. $10,000 is easy for people who remember. $10,000, you get $600. Add to that the 10,000. That is the $10,600. How about 1,000? What do they say? So I write it down so you can see it. That's you get $1,060. Yeah. So if you put 5,000 in that account, you will get $5,300. 50. So you got 53,000. So if you have 50,000, you place in a 6% rate, you got the interest is $3,000 for 1 year. Not I have to use you. So tell me it's 1 year. You get you get interest on it for 1 year is 3,000. If you have a $500,000, you will get 530,000. 5 million. So you got $5,300,000. Oh, I think that we dream that high. Is that one more dream? Okay, 150,000. 50 million. Yeah, you got $53 million. Okay, that's our dream for that. Yeah, 5 million. Yeah, $5 million. You can get 300,000 on an interest rate for 1 year at 6%. Yeah, you can. If we like, we don't have money. We don't have much money. We see it's a $5 million a lot, but some people now, I think it's like equal, like less than 10 house. Some people, I think they own more than 10 house, and if they own the 10 house right now, I think it's more than 5 million. More than $5 million. Let me see. Like I know of one of the family. They came here as a old people. They have one house. They live in. They have 3 house renting. But now each house is a car. This is worse than more than $500,000. So they got, four of them, they got at least $2 million. And I know some people, they have like 10 house, and then they sell. So this is a 10 house right now about If 500, yeah, it's I think it's the 2000s where first house now that's where I live. It's a $500,000, and then so that's a 10 houses. So that's 10 houses is a 50,000, $5 million. So they can, if you have that, you can have 5 million. That's just I mean the get 300,000 and in interest rate now, so you don't have to work. You can live in the lifestyle, but the thing you have to have somewhere to get $5 million, right? Yeah, I talk like I am rich, right? Rich, and I'm rich, and then I have a lot of money, right? No, I don't rich. I'm not rich. I don't have plenty money. I don't have many money too. Don't not say about plenty. Yeah, just to dream, and then just the data, the number. That is how the difference between the, look at the data, the number, and the real world. The real world, there are a lot of people that don't have the house to live. A lot of people are homeless, and a lot of kids is homeless. I heard this news this week. I think it says a lot the number of students, the K-12, K-12 student, they are homeless a lot in where the city I live. They So that's kind of just look at the number. Data target is so easy, but the real world is different. And then yeah, that's why I look. I don't need to, because I don't. I just thought about I do the $2 million, but I already have $1 million, so easy for you to see this, how much is it 2 million when you get. So that means you own two house now. You sell, you put the money in the 6% rate. You got about $120,000 earned from the interest per year. But the thing that is remember that 6% interest rate. They just offer, that's a promotion, and then after the years after. Probably you can, if you find out another promotion, you can get that much or more, or more a little bit less. Or but I know it seemed to me the you can get at least 3% for the basis, at least now for the next year, but the years after that probably not. I don't know. That's our kind of economy. I don't know. I don't know. Also, I told you guys that I just want to tell you guys, I just tell you guys here just for fun, free time fun, and then just a dream to make me life a little happier. I'm not expert anything. I'm not expert about finance. I'm not expert about real estate. I'm not expert about tax. I don't hold any a PhD degree, anything. So, so I'm free talk whatever I want. But that's just for fun, just like, free time. We talk to each other to a fun time. If you see that's interesting, you can go to research more. I just remind you, so I don't. I am not expert anything. Um, Let me find another calculator. See is that the one I told you? They will add the interest earning of that every month to that amount. They can accumulate more. Let me see. I think they have another one, because this method just to go straight to the what you earn for this 6% for 1 year, but not. Uh, Let me see. Uh, Simple 7 a calculator. So, oh man. I think I do have an I bookmark here somewhere, but because I bookmark so many, so now it's look like a forest to me. So I have to um, little by little. Let me see. Let me go back. Mortgage calculators, investment in CD calculator here. Credit card, saving calculator, debt management calculator, insurance calculators, personal finance calculator, small business calculator, tax calculator, college calculator, loan calculators, so retirement calculators, home equity calculator, credit card calculators, auto calculators, mortgage calculators. So investment CD calculator, saving calculator, investment calculator, CD invest calculator. I think this one. Yeah, the same. Uh, the same with the one I just showed you. I don't know. Do they have another one? Because it seemed to me here. I look at the numbers. It seemed to me here this didn't add up what you earn for the second month interest earned in the second month to the base, the principal. Must be have another calculator to calculate that. So, but at least the one I just mentioned with you guys, show you guys, this is talk with you guys about have a dream about it. That is the basis you have at least that's the amount. And matter you get more. Investment calculator, CD interest investment calculator. Okay, that's this one. Oh, I think they call it compound interest calculator. I remember now. Yeah, whatever. I think I did study about this. I returned back, not study from school. I think I studied when I took mortgage license back 20 years ago, almost 20 years. 20 years ago, I took mortgage license as the independent school outside, and I think I learned it from there. Not from the school, not from the public school. I learned from the when I took the license, the mortgage license. So that's I remember they call it compound interest. No, yeah, that's 20 years ago. I did study that, and but later on, I went to school for another thing, and I think I did study a little bit. They just passed a little bit there. So here come the kind of compound interest calculator. This one, probably not this one. Interest calculator is it look like right to me how much do you have to have a second, how many years will you sell for, what your interest return. Let me see, I posted the 1,000. How many years will you sell for that? 61 years. What's rate to return 6%? In how much do countries your How often will you contribute per month? How often will your interest compound? Let me annually and see what's that. Okay, I see now. As I test this calculator, this calculator is the kind of close. It's a compound interest calculator because Win account interest calculators. They as I put in and they ask how much do you have sell currently. I put the 1,000. That means we put the bank the CD $1,000. In how many years will you sell for that? And let's collect one. In the rate return 6%. In how much extra will you contribute? I put a zero because when you put in CD, I don't think you can add more on that. Just whatever you place there is there, and there's the how often will you contribute item per month. I put a zero, so without anything. And then how often will your interest compound? I put the compound annually. So they come up with $1,000 is a total interest rate is $60. So that's $1,060. The same with the calculator I show you. I just told you guys. And now how about I put the compound monthly? Let me see. If I put a compound monthly, they will come up with this $1,061.68. So let me write it down and show you guys so you guys kind of see the difference if the compound is yearly or monthly or quarter or daily. What the difference? That's 1,600 and then you that's this if come 1,000 6% APY. $1,000 they will compound let's say annual is annual assistance will be get $60. But for the quarterly that become 61.36. No, that's sorry, 61.36. So if it's monthly, it will be 61.68. And if it's daily, it's 61.83. That's the daily, monthly, quarterly, annually. So that is the difference. So 10,000. $10,000 become $618.31. Let's see. Now, this calculator, not the one I told you, told you to, because this one just to compile daily, monthly, and quarterly, not add the interest, not add the interest to back to your the principal and the accumulable. It's not this one too. This one just a different compile way, different. So the interest rate 623. 13. Not this one. Not this one. So I will find another calculator and then I will show you, I will talk you about that, see the difference. But anyway, I got the two, that's not so bad for the, let's see, let me finish up with this so I can give you the whole thing. So this is $100,000, like yes, 1,000, 1,000,000 is 60. Okay, 10 million. Okay, this is a compound interest. APY. Okay, I got not the one I want to show you, but anyway, here, let me show you. Hope you can see well. Can you see it? It's kind of difficult to see. So. Yeah, yeah. I think it's kind of little clear. That's on the top, like I told you in the early on the video. That's is how much you got. That means that's the interest rate you get out. Like you transfer to your checking or saving account. But the interest, I want to show you the interest will add up and back there, and then the accumulate again until it's one at the end of one for 1 year. I couldn't find that calculator. Right? I will find it later, and then I probably show you in the future video. Yeah, that is how much you earn. You get from that for 6%. Like the first one, we start with the dream of $10 million, and then we got 600,000 on $600,000 for the six at 6% interest rate. And next one is 1 million. It's kind of closer. 1 million is that you got the $60,000 per year. 1 year 6%. If $100,000, you get $6,000. So how about dream of $1 million? So you can get $60,000 in the bank. You don't need to work. I think it's a $60,000 double salary of most majority people. Like people work. I know they work. I think Disney. No, I saw that the Universal Study they're hiring us $15 an hour. So that's the if they work 15 hours of 150, 20, 300. If they work for 40 hours, they get $600 a month. So they got $600 a week. So that's a 52 week. Is the 50 week is 30,000. So 2 weeks will let go to for vacation. $30,000. So 60,000. That means that's 2 years for people work at the theme park for 2 years and with the full time schedule. I know as a majority they work at the not full time. Let's just say full time. That's 2 years. 2 years for like like that's earning without you spend, without tax, without spending clothes, food, or stuff like that. Gasoline or stuff like that. 60,000, but instead of $60,000, that's you need to file income tax too for the interest. I think for the interest. Okay, that is our little dream for today. So a dream $1 million. Yeah, here. All right, thank you for watching. See you next video. Yeah, my nose still. But it's my face kind of. I know. Yesterday I got my face. My face kind of swollen. My face and my eyes. So today, I just took a medication. No, I took the one I think I showed you there. The one, the cold with severe cold, Terflu, but I didn't take the whole bag. I just take a little bit. So probably I have to go to the store get another one, not different types. Anyway, yesterday I told you I told you about the real estate. I know one house is selling, but I stop right here. I skip for the next video. Bye. See you later.